and welcome to Craftiosity, the subscription box of modern craft kits where we make it easy for you to be creative. For this project, we're taking inspiration from the coastline to create this Seaside Cottages hanging. Inside your kit, you'll find your translucent paper and templates, your threads, batten, paintbrush and beads, your little houses, 2 pots of paint and a paint pen. Put a little blue paint onto a mixing plate or sheet of paper and a little white paint near to it. Mix different amounts of the blue and white together to create different shades of blue for your houses. Paint the houses and batten using different shades of blue and leave them to dry. Once they're dry, do the underside of the houses too. Then put a very small amount of white paint onto a piece of kitchen roll and smear this along with the edges of the houses to create texture across them. Leave these to dry. Inside your kit you'll find template sheets for the cottage designs. Place a translucent paper over the house templates and draw over the designs using a pencil. You can make these quite thick lines. Then turn the translucent paper over so the pencil side is face down, place it over your preferred house and draw over the lines in pencil again. This will copy the original pencil lines onto your cottage. Dab the paint pen a few times on scrap paper to get the ink flowing, then draw over the pencil lines on your houses with the paint pen. Draw straight lines down from the top of each roof to the bottom. Then leave the houses to dry. Use your pencil to mark your batten at 1.5 centimetres, 4.25 centimetres and 7 centimetres in from the left hand side. Then turn the batten around so the other end is now on the left hand side and mark in at 1.5 centimetres, 4.25 centimetres and 7 centimetres. So in total you'll have 6 marks. Then use the inside of your scissors to create indents all the way around your batten at the 6 points you've marked. These will help hold your thread in place. Decide the order you'd like your cottages to be. Cut 4 lengths of thread, each 45 centimetres long. Place a length of thread through the hoop at the top of a house and bring the ends together. Thread them through one of the beads and use water to wet the ends if it's tricky to thread. Then repeat for the rest of the houses. To tie a house to the batten, wrap one end of thread around the batten in one direction and the other end in the opposite direction. Pull the threads to adjust the height of the house from the batten, then tie a double knot at the batten and tighten. Repeat for the rest of your houses. To create the hanging loop, cut a piece of thread 90 centimetres long and fold it in half. Loop one end around the batten at the 4.25 centimetre indent and tie a double knot. Trim your ends with 1 centimetre of thread left. Then loop around and tie at the other 4.25 centimetres indent, checking the height is as you'd like it to be. Well done, your hanger's complete and ready to hang up. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. We hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, subscribe to our channel or head on over to our website at craftiosity.co.uk to sign up to our newsletter for more creative inspiration.